Here's another example of a binomial times a binomial. How do we take the product of binomials? Our FOIL method. First, outside, inside, last. So the f of FOIL would be the product of these two terms. 4 times 2 gives us 8. X squared times x. How many x's are being multiplied? 3 of them. That's x to the third. The O of FOIL, that says take the product of the outside two terms. 4x squared times a plus 4, that's plus 16x squared. 4 times 4 gives me 16. The I of FOIL says take the product of the inside two terms. That's minus 3 times 2x. That would be minus 6x. Minus 3 times 2x would be minus 6x. And the L of FOIL says take the product of the last terms. Minus 3 times plus 4, that's minus 12. And when I look at these terms in this polynomial that I created when I multiplied those two binomials, what's one thing we notice that's different than the other products we've taken? We have no like terms. There are no like terms to combine. So here's an unusual example as far as what we've looked at so far. The product of those two binomials actually created a 4-termed polynomial. Most of the problems we've looked at, the product of the binomials created a trinomial, a 3-termed polynomial. Sometimes, if we had that special situation, it created a binomial. But here, the product of those two binomials actually created a 4-termed polynomial. But how did I find that product? Still the same way, using my FOIL method.